Hey guys, so in today's video I am just showing you some things I'm going to be doing to prepare for little Miss Olivia's arrival. We have anywhere from 4 to 5 weeks to go, so I'm really feeling the pressure to get things done and organized and ready just for when she comes, just so that my life is as, you know, not easy as possible, but like less hectic, less cluttered, I have less work. I'm trying to make the stuff that I have to do with the newborn and a toddler who is putting sunsies all over her hair a lot less work. So I'm going to show you just a couple things I'm doing around the house to kind of prepare. We are going to go to our local dollar store and get some organizational bins. And one of the things that was on the top of my list, aside from installing the newborn car seat, was cleaning my car. So obviously it is winter right now here in Canada, so there's quite a bit of snow, but I can still clean my car. So one of the things I'm going to use is my Method cleaner. I'm bringing out a garbage bag just to load up any junk and just wipe down all the surfaces. And then this is something I'm going to use to organize everything that's in my car, because if you are a mother like me, you understand when you have toddlers and babies, you have so much crap in your car. Like, stuff gets thrown and like lost under the seat. There's Cheerios, there's snacks. We have sippy cups in the car. We have Blake's mittens. There'll be a random mitten and I can't find the other one, or random books and things like that. So what I'm about to show you is really gonna help organize your vehicle, and I'm really excited to use it and keep my car clean and clutter free for once. So this is the High Road Hatchback Trunk and Cargo Organizer, and it has the center compartment here is leak proof. So if I ever want to put like drinks or snacks for the girls in the car if we're going on a trip or a longer drive, I know that it's not going to spill because it has the leak proof center. And then these two compartments, or actually 3 compartments, are meshed so you can see what's in there. So I'm going to do one of them for like her hats and mitts for winter, and then in the summertime I can have a spare wipes, spare diapers. I could put her sunscreen, hat, sunglasses, all of that stuff, a spare outfit in case there's a blowout with Miss Olivia, because with newborns there's always going to be a blowout. So that way it kind of frees up my diaper bag, because I have enough stuff in my diaper bag. So this is kind of like adding something that's gonna help me carry twice the amount of stuff, make sure I have absolutely everything I need, and it's not overloading my diaper bag, and it's just already in the car. If I happen to forget something in my diaper bag, I've got this bad boy. It's really good to keep my car organized, and I'm so excited. You can tell it's really good quality, and this thing is freaking huge, like seriously. I mean, look how much stuff you could fit in here. So I think I actually will put it on the trunk side. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and show you guys how I organized it.
So as you can see, I used it for my daughter's books and extra hats and mittens, a stuffed animal, some snacks, and my husband's gloves, and it fits perfectly in the back seat.
Okay, so we're home now, and I just got a little container like this for $1.25. This is gonna be for Olivia's top drawer in her IKEA dresser, just to put bows or socks or something. And then these 2 larger ones are going to hold like her blankets or her swaddles, and just so I can organize it a little bit better. So, and these ones were $2.50, and I kind of thought they were kind of cute, so got those. We got 2 things of note paper. This is not to prepare for Olivia, it's just we need paper just to write things down, and so Blakey can color. I think you guys saw I got this laundry washing bag, so I can put like Blake's toys in here and actually wash them. So I'm gonna do that this afternoon. You want your Elmo? Mommy, go get him. And then to organize under the sink, I just got this over the cabinet kitchen storage, so hopefully it fits over my cabinet. But if not, it's just good to keep some stuff in, and that was $3.50. I got the Live Clean Baby Creamy Head to Toe Wash, Gentle Moisture. This was $4, which I believe it's, I want to say 6 or 7 at Walmart, so it's really good. I got some measuring spoons because I'm forever losing measuring spoons. I don't know why. I guess Blake plays with them and they go missing, so I got all of the 6 of them for $1.25. So measuring spoons. I always get sponges at the dollar store because I throw out the kitchen like dish sponge once a week because it just gets too dirty and gross. It has so much bacteria, and they're only $1.25 for like, I think there's 10 of them. Yeah, there's 10 of them, so that's a good price. I got cupcake liners because I'm making cupcakes for my, is that Mommy's boot? My sister-in-law's and brother-in-law's engagement party. Extra baby lotion or baby wash in here. That's for Blake or for Olivia. And I have a little rattle. This is a little noise machine, her wipes, and a little lammy. And then I like having these because they just keep everything compartmentalized instead of having everything just like thrown in. So I put Olivia's hats and head bows right here, her towels here. This is all burp claws, her bassinet mattress cover and swaddles. And then over here I have washcloths, the liners for the change table, and bibs, and then her baby kitten. So that looks so much better, and I'm so happy that that's now organized. I also meant to show you guys I picked up this little travel pack for the hospital. So it just comes with Kleenex and tissues, a toothbrush. This is a serum, I think, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, Total Care Zero mouthwash, and basically everything that you need for a hospital stay. Hopefully I have a VBAC and I won't need to stay for very long in the hospital, but just in case, these are great little packs, and then I don't have to worry about forgetting something at home. So these are really good to have, and another thing to check off my list to prepare for Olivia. So Colin's home. It's taco night. As he takes a bite.
It's everywhere.
I just have my like taco salad. I have basically everything I would in a taco, minus I added Brussels sprouts, but without the wrap. And Blakey has cream cheese in a wrap as a roll-up, and some cucumbers, some cheese, and some black beans. And I gotta give her more because she loves black beans. And Colin sauce all in his beer. Sorry for the PJ Masks in the background, but the other thing that I do before Olivia comes is stock up on essential things like paper towels and makeup and stuff like that. So my parents actually dropped this off for me. It's the Kirkland. You get 12 rolls of 160 sheets, so this should last us quite some time. So I just really like to like stock up on things. I also bought a backup foundation, concealer, mascara. I mean, I know that my mom or Colin could run to the store for me, or I could go myself, but just so that I have everything, it's just nice to be prepared. So that is something else that I do. And before we put her to bed, or after we put her to bed, I'm gonna go through this Babies R Us flyer and see if there's anything in there that I can get on sale for the little miss. If and just look to see if I forgot anything, because honestly, I think we have pretty much everything. So I'm really excited, and yeah, I'm sorry, I'm exhausted. I'm 34 weeks pregnant, and my friend Michelle and I, she came for a visit, and we went for a walk, and it was kind of like uphill. And I felt really good. It's just now I'm like, I'm so tired. But I want to keep doing that because it's good for my gestational diabetes and everything. So we're just gonna play with the munchkin and then go to bed. But I have a part 2 coming, and in that part 2 is gonna be prepping meals as well. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss that. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.